Hi friends, today I will be unboxing the wireless earbuds. So let's get started. First we will open the box of earbuds. These earbuds have many features like long battery life, touch button and auto connect. This earbud have the Bluetooth transmission of about 10 meters. And it can be used for 3 hours before putting it on charger again. After unboxing it, we will take out all the things. First, take out earbuds cover. The earbud have its charging option at the bottom. Now let's open its cover. So these are the two earbuds. Inside the box we can find its charging wire and some extra earbuds. You can connect the charger like this. If you find this video helpful, then like my video, comment it and do subscribe my channel. Bye.